concrete fissure in Archicad. Alright, let's assume this is our wall. Okay, let's assume this is our building. Right, let's say this is our building. Okay, let's look at 3D. Alright, this is our 3D. This is our 3D. Okay, so now we are going to get concrete fissure around just at the top of the building. Okay, so we'll come back to our ground floor, go to options, click on complex profile. Okay, click on edit. Okay, now we are going to click on beam tool, and we are going to add new one. We're going to save. Okay, make sure you follow the steps. Click on concrete, click on OK. Make sure you click on beam tool, delete, and then now you start to create your concrete fissure with a fill tool over here. Down here you use your fill tool. Click on fill tool. Now you start to create. Okay, so from here you determine how you want it to be, distance. Okay, let's say the first one, let's say is 50. 50. Next one also 50. Next one 52. And this one is a 200. Give this one 200 also. I'll say 50. We come here, we give it 50 also. Here too we give it 50. Okay, give it 50 and then join everything together. Now we are going to choose our default type of what we are using. So we will be using plaster gypsum for it. So now we will be creating a very good curve here. Okay, I'll click here. So all right, now we have our concrete fissure. I will save it. Okay, so over here we come here. Now we are going to fix our concrete fissure. Okay, so come over here to beam tool, and we are going to click in the beam tool. Going to select segment and page value. Right, custom, and we come to structural. We have our concrete, and in our concrete we have our brick wall, which is our concrete fissure. Okay, now select OK. Then we come and apply our concrete fissure. Okay. All right, we are going to be choosing a chain type. Yeah, very easy chain type. So continue, over here, click here, and we have our concrete fissure. Have our concrete fissure. Okay, 3D, and here it is. Congratulations, you have the concrete fissure. It just depends on how you want to customize and make your concrete fissure and how you want to make it look. So you customize it on the complex profile. Okay, see, it's pretty awesome.